Hello, Voki. I'm not a forex master. How have you guys been? Hello, PRSSKI. Did anyone catch the buys in the morning? Hi, Mike. I'm doing pretty well myself. How about you guys? I'm doing pretty good myself. And you? How are you guys doing? Hello, Bella and Pepper. You're here again. I got bitten by a cat today, and my finger is bleeding like mad. Alright. I was playing with a cat, and then the cat scratched me. Your favorite live stream. Thank you, Anthony's. You are eating using the money you got from. Okay, anyone managed to hold the sells all the way yesterday? Remember, we did a 180 pip sell, right? We sold from a retest at this area, and then we managed to hit TP3. Did anyone caught this sell from yesterday? Right, we managed to hit our TP3 at 1974 today before it bounced up. So, do you guys manage to catch it? I know it was a pretty long hold throughout the day. We managed to close it at our TP3 here, right? Did you guys manage to hold all the way to TP3? How many of you guys held this trade all the way to TP3? We did a round 2 sell as well at this area, right? When it retested here, we did a round 2 sell at 1983 here. How many of you guys held to TB3? 150 pips. Okay lah, not bad, right? Letting your winners run. Go refusing to dump. Yeah, we shall see how it reacts because we have news in 30 minutes. So currently it's still rejecting this zone. So let's see. You manual TP at 1978. I think that's good enough. That's good enough. Do I trade crypto? No, I don't trade crypto. Go has been ranging today. So boring. So we managed to caught on the snipe, right? A buy as well from our VIP channel today. So 70 pips managed to TP here. So let's see. We are currently in a sell right now. I think I closed some of my position. I'm only holding 1 or 2 layers. Okay, if we pump, I'm only holding 8.2 and 8.3 now. I closed the bottom layers when it dumped just now. Okay. If it pumps up, probably I'll look at this area again. Right, this 1990 area again. Okay, same thing, right? We can look to TP or close all of our trade before news. So how many of you guys caught the buys today? I think okay, I only sent it to our VIP channel, but I think I give you guys a hint, right? I sent to our group and then it actually came back to retest. So how many of you guys caught the hint? So we entered at 1974 and we TP at 1980. You never catch cause I say risky. Okay, maybe next time I shouldn't say risky. Right, so it was a quick snipe lah. So today we did this. Right, it was a quick snipe. I mean it was pretty risky because this was counter trending, right? But it's okay. So all of you guys didn't catch the buys because I said it was risky. Oh man. Okay, basically all the counter trends right now we're in a downtrend, so every buy setups I would say risky. Okay, Dexter, you caught it. Okay, nice. Nice, you caught it. You scared us? Okay, maybe next time I shouldn't have said risky, okay? Why is that 2 SSL? There's only I forget to delete. It was the previous day. Alright, next time I'm not gonna say risky. Okay? Okay. Okay, remember to close your trades before news, okay? Let's see what news we have today. Yesterday was CPI, today we have PPI. As well as FOMC at 3 am. So do not hold your trades tonight, okay? Do not hold your trades tonight. We have FOMC at 3 am as well. And then we have PPI and call PPI at 9:30. Risky is a taboo. You have closed all your trades, okay? Say counter trend or continuation. Can. You guys all missed the buy, oh no. I'm gonna be honest, it's risky. It's risky. Right? Because we saw a bearish engulfing candle here. Right? We saw a bearish engulfing candle here. So it's a risky scalp. Is it night in your country? Yes, it's 9 p.m. here over in my country. If it pumps back up, I will monitor the zone and look for sales opportunity. But I do believe it's gonna be a dump. It's gonna be a sell. Right? I do believe it's gonna be a sell, so we shall see. Probably around here and then dump. Risky trades, you guys just enter with lower lot size or sure or dumb or not? No. How? I'm not a god. I cannot predict news. Okay, stuck with 2 layers. Which at which area? Anyone still holding the cells? Yeah, I gotta know when to cut positions at break even or cut at small losses. You still holding yourselves from 1990. You guys are still holding. You guys are mad. You guys didn't take profit at what at TB3 yesterday. You guys are still. You wish you took profit now. Well, it's 4 in the afternoon in my country. The sun is still there. Oh, the sales yesterday you TP3 already. Okay. The current sale is still on. No, I'm talking about the sales from yesterday. Who is still on it? You broke even. Okay. 1979 1980. Okay. Trade if you want. Today's sell signal still holding. Okay. Okay, we close. Okay. If it's still ranging at this price before news, we close. Okay. Still holding at 1980. 19828081. Okay, we shall see. Okay, because it's still kind of rejecting off this 1983 resistance, right? The fresh resistance zone. But if it breaks through, then it could pump. So we monitor closely. So for me, I told you guys to close the trade or B. For those of you guys who want to hold, please make sure that manage your risk. Okay. Next news what time? 9:30 in 24 minutes. Next news is in 24 minutes. Yeah, okay. What could happen is same thing, right? We had pump and dump for like yesterday, right? You see a pump and then a dump, right? So same thing could happen if it pump above here, you could go all the way up here fetching sellers before breaking sell side liquidity. This could happen as well. This could happen as well. Right, same thing. Yesterday it dumped first, right? Took out early sellers. I mean took out early buyers and then pump up, took out early sellers and then continuation. Right, so if you realize yesterday, I waited for prices to retrace before catching the sell. Same thing for NFP. Anyone remember our NFP day? Where we caught this huge amazing sell when it retraced to this area. This area, right? It came back here and then we caught a nice sell, right? Wait, it wasn't there. It was all the way up. NFP. Anyone remember NFP day? I was on live as well, right? So we managed to wait for a nice sell when prices tap back into this rejection here, right? With a stop loss above here. So you guys need to learn how to not trade news and trade after retracement, right? So you guys need to learn to trade after the initial reaction, and then when prices retrace, you guys go for the continuation. So those of you guys remember our amazing NFP trade about 180 pips, right? Same thing, we did this for yesterday. I didn't trade immediately when the because usually the first candle is going to be very, very manipulative. So I wait for its resistance to form before I wait for a retracement and then I look to sell. And of course, reading the news data, right? You guys have to understand the news data. Is it good for USD? Is it bad for the USD? Right? Things like that, you guys have to learn how to analyze as well. Okay. Attendance +1. Welcome back, Christy. Usually BSL and SSL will both be taken out daily or okay, usually only one per session will be taken out, but it could be like today, right? Both buy side and sell side got taken out for Asian. Usually it happens during ranging market when Asian is very slow and then London is volatile. Yeah, today got live news, so we shall see. I'm still holding on to my cells. I'm still holding on to my cells because it's rejecting this zone here. I'll cut lah if it forms a bullish engulfing above here, but seems like it's rejecting off here, so I'm still holding. I'm still holding, but I recommend you guys to BE if you guys BE already because I don't. I'm pretty sure most of you guys have over leveraged, so I recommend you guys to de-risk if you guys over leveraged. I already cut some positions. I'm only holding two layers, right? Only holding two layers. Okay, those of you guys over on our Telegram channel, have you guys? How many trades have you guys caught with us? Okay, I'm just curious. How many of you guys are here from our Telegram channel? How many of you guys here are new, completely new? ISTJ, don't lie. What's your SL for this? It's at 1985. Yeah, you out when say B. Yeah. Sometimes it's better to out when it's break even because I don't really like the price action, but I'm still holding two lots lah at 82 and 83. You are from my Telegram channel. Okay, nice. Okay, let's wait it out. From so most of you guys actually found me from TikTok for you page. I'm just curious. Or do you guys join since because your friends recommended our channel? I'm very curious. So it all started from TikTok for you page. Did anyone found us because of friends recommendation? It's on my white piece face. What the heck? TikTok for you page. Cool. Someone told me about his friends. Okay. The forecast is greater than previous. I think gold is gonna melt. Is that what we expected? I do think that gold is gonna sell as well. Okay, so what happens is you can take a hint lah about how big the reaction will be. So you can see that forecast is 0.2%, previous is 0.0. So it's predicting that the economy is doing better than predicted. So let's say if it's doing worse, you can see gold pump up. If it's doing better than expected, you can see gold continue its down movement. You're here because of your friend. Where are you guys from? You're from the United Kingdoms, right? Hi Rosaimi. Leslie from Telegram. You need 100 USD for your phase one. Okay, good luck. Hopefully you get your 100 USD today. Prices are stuck. Is that 4 hour fair value gap? My no. This one is previous days. I forget to delete. This is our new society. You need 20 bucks for tomorrow lunch. Alright, prices looks like it's dumping down. Okay. Let's see if we can clear our whole zone before news. Alright, let's see if we can clear our whole zone before news. Set B already. What do you recommend for TP? Okay. I'm looking to retarget 1979 to clear our first layer. Alright, then from there we can look to target other zones as well. We clear our layer first. We clear our first layer first. How long am I going to live? How long do you guys want me to live? I'm hungry, man. I need some food. See, it rejected with a bearish engulfing. Alright, let's see if we can clear. Anyone is still holding on to my previous signal? You guys should be overall in profit if you guys lay it properly. So those of you guys want to take the chance to de-risk or floating, take some minor floating profit, this is your chance to do it before news. Okay? For me, I already closed 2 layers, only leaving my top layers to run. So we shall see where it takes us. Are we gonna clear back into our TP before news? We might though, we might hit TP before news. So let's see. I don't have a girlfriend, Anthony, sadly. I don't have one. If I have one, I probably would not live every day like that. You just joined my tally. Your strategy was very legit. I like the way you find entry. Thank you so much, Melvin. No, the thing is I've been eating a lot recently. Getting quite fat. Okay, but I'm pretty confident with this cell, honestly. I'm pretty confident with my cell right now. Okay, those of you guys want to hold, feel free to hold. Okay. Uh, okay, we shall see what price. Price is at 9:20 p.m. Okay. Yeah, SL I will stick to the same. Okay. Hopefully it will spike up. I think it will be a one way. What is my Telegram group name? Is Orient FX. You guys can join the Telegram channel through our TikTok link. Just click the link inside our TikTok bio. Okay. Okay. Anyways, for those of you guys who are new here, I'll be releasing my next course, Chapter 4 on trading psychology and emotions. How to manage your emotions while trading. Right. Initially, this is only for the VIP channel, but do you guys want to eat? Do you guys want the course or not? This course, I think 45, 50 slides for trading psychology. Took us pretty long to do it, almost a week. Okay. We are already only at like 3 or 4 chapters. We're almost at 200 slides already. Almost at 200 slides. Pretty crazy. Okay, we really put in a lot of effort, okay? It's not some freaking 10 slides. Copy and paste from Google. It's literally from scratch. Right? We even draw the candlesticks from scratch. How to handle emotions is to trade for tomorrow's experiences. You shouldn't be trading to earn money for your food. Shit. Okay lah. I share it on the main channel for you guys. Okay. Am I waiting for news? Yes, I am. Okay. Those of you guys on the VIP channel, do you guys want me to share for them as well? Alright, everyone. Okay, see, our VIP community is so friendly. Okay, share the love. Alright, I will share it. Okay, this is why we have the best community. Okay, knowledge is free. Yes. Okay. Then I will share it probably tomorrow with you guys. I'll send it to you guys either end of today or tomorrow. Okay, anyone is still holding on to our analysis, our gold cells from 1983 or 1982? Okay, let's see if we are able to clear the full layer. Okay, our full layer. Should I break even right now for gold? If you over leverage, please do so. Bro, we suggest to remove SL cause it spikes. I wouldn't suggest you guys to trade news. Right? We don't trade news, but you guys are planning to hold through news. Okay, then use proper risk management. Okay, for those of you guys who are planning to hold through news. Your slippage, yeah, during news slippage is crazy. So this is why I don't trade news. All right, this is why I don't trade news. Okay, come. You guys should be up. You guys should be in profits, okay? You guys should be in profits, okay? Right, give me a second. Alright. Okay, I recommend you guys to close trade. Okay, we don't want to gamble on news. Okay. Why can't my small account open order now? What do you mean? Yeah, small profit is better than loss, okay? Small profit is better than loss. Alright, we clear, okay? We clear the trade with small profits. Then we wait. After news, then we trade. Alright, after news, then we trade. Okay, we're just gonna chill for 10 minutes. We wait for how news react, and then we are gonna look for another amazing trade. Hopefully another 100 pips trade after news, okay? What do you think will happen for news? For gamblers? Today I think it's gonna be a straight dump, honestly. Today I think it's gonna be a straight dump. If you want me to be honest. Okay lah, lost $1, can. Okay, you guys should be up. Okay? Those of you guys who haven't closed your trade, okay? This is your chance to do so. Should be up 30 pips already. I mean, I do see a possible nice dump. I mean, it rejected off this zone pretty nicely, so we shall see. You did 150 USD full margin at 1983 for your kamikaze account. So you sell. How much do you sell? Okay, don't gamble on news, okay? For those of you guys who want to gamble on news, please, okay? Proper risk management. But for me, I don't recommend you guys to trade news, okay? Okay lah, 1k to 200. It's pretty good. I'm out already, okay? I'm out already. I'm out of the trade. Left one layer. I'm holding my most bottom layer, okay? Your account can be... Okay, at least it's not a loss, right? It's been a very slow day after this pump. At least we managed to catch the buys. So today is about 70 pips. We managed to take out the whole sell until TP3 at 150 pips. And then this sell, if it... I know we got taken out at... I would say 10 pips profit, but I wouldn't count it as profit. I would just count it as break even. Alright, I'm very transparent. I'll just count it as break even. So, right, we're up about 100 pips today. So let's see after news what we can get. Alright. But I do see gold selling off today, so we can look for re-entries, okay? You take partial loss and holding one lot at highest layer, okay. But for me, I'm out already. I'm completely out. Alright, I'll wait for news to end and then I will see. I'm still on a sell bias, so I will see what is our news forecast and actual result, and then we shall see what trades are we gonna take there. You're expecting it to melt to the lowest. Alright, we shall see. Is it possible to sell around 1990? Yeah. I mean, if it reaches there, I'll look for sales again. I will look for sells. But we have to see how news play out. I mean, definitely if it goes to 1990, I'll be more than happy to sell at that level, right? It's at a premium. It's at a premium level. So yeah, but we have FOMC later. Don't forget, guys. We have FOMC later at 3 a.m. Okay. So usually I don't really want to trade a lot when there's FOMC at 3 a.m. So this is a very heavy news week. Okay, Friday we have NFP, and then yesterday we have CPI. Today we have PPI. Tomorrow 3 a.m. Right? Basically today 3 a.m. we have FOMC. Right? So please, all right, this you guys have to be aware of this kind of news and don't hold your trade. Don't hold your trade until 3 a.m. because this is a very very big. Okay, they're gonna confirm their rates. They're gonna have their economic projections and as well as the FOMC statements. All right. So once this is out, we will finally have our NFP, CPI, and FOMC news and data. And then with these three data, we can have a general direction of how gold or our USD pairs are gonna move. Right. So with these three big data, the FOMC, NFP, and CPI, I'll have a clearer direction of the market. Then once you have a clearer direction of a market, we can trade with ease. Right. Easier to trade. So the past week, while we are waiting and uncertain of our NFP, CPI, and FOMC data, prices has been weird, right? Has been ranging, so on and so forth. So once all of these data are out, it will be it's gonna be easier to trade, right? With a better direction. If it's as per forecast, that means interest rate cut. So if they hot interest rate or interest rate cut, it means that USD will go down and then gold will go up, right? Gold will go up if FOMC is as per forecast or if they are looking to cut interest rate. But let's say they decided to continue raising interest rate or they feel that inflation is still rampant, right? Then USD will go up, gold will dump very, very hard. Probably dump all the way back to 1956. If right, FOMC they decided to continue their rate hikes. Alright, understand? This is how you guys understand FOMC and interest rate and how it relates to your gold market or DXY. So DXY is your dollar index for those of you guys who have not known yet. So this is where you analyze your US dollar, which will directly or inversely impact your USD pairs, right? Be it Euro USD, GBP USD, XAU USD. You guys have to analyze this. So now you can see DXY is consolidating now. I think it's awaiting for FOMC. Sorry. Yeah, so it's awaiting for FOMC statement. So we shall see, right? If it goes back up or it's gonna break out of our H4 demand zone. Can you please take a look at the GG? Okay, I'll take a quick look at GG. Sorry, I haven't been trading currency for this month because December is a shit month to trade, right? December is a very shit month to trade. But yeah, based on my analysis, right, it was an amazing, I mean, based on the arrows. Do you guys read my weekly analysis? Remember when I told you guys I sent my weekly analysis, I said that if prices manage to reject and then break below our 50% rate here, 50% fair value gap, it's going to be a bearish momentum. So any one of you guys, I know I didn't give an exact signal for GBP, JPY, but any of you guys took a sell here at my breaker block based on my analysis. So you guys have to read my analysis, okay? Not just follow my signals blindly. Do you think gold will fly up? Honestly, I cannot predict news, right? I'm not a god. Right, but I need the data. That's why I'm waiting for news to release. So I have the data, right? So if you ask me, do I think gold will fly up? Do you think gold will dump? All I can say is currently we're in a bearish trend. What I need is my news data to be out so I can have a clearer trend, especially my FOMC at 3 a.m. Right? As I said before, if you enter based off your emotions or purely based off whatever you feel like, it's gambling, right? So if trading you want to be profitable, you should stop having the gambler's mindset, like I said before, right? You need to have proper analysis and data and previous price action, which is your data, to back up your analysis. This is why I don't trade news, because news is where data is released. You've been holding a trade since morning. Where do you enter? Where do you enter at? 1977. Wow. So you actually held a huge draw now. How much are you down? Home store. Do you lay at top? Yeah, I do, but I'm out already at break even just now. It should be minor profits just now, but I'm out. Don't want to risk it. How can you join my Telegram channel? Okay, you can click the link inside our TikTok bio, right? Or our YouTube bio. 30 bucks. Oh, still holding at 1979. $13 down. Okay. Don't forget, okay, we have news in a while. Okay, those of you guys who are not inside our Telegram channel yet, click on our TikTok link, the bio, alright, to join our Telegram channel. This is where I'll send my signals and analysis on. Lost $22 today. 20 seconds. Okay, we shall see. 10 seconds. Honestly, I think this is gonna be a dump, but we shall see, okay? Okay, it looks like it's not. Okay, we shall look for our next layer. Right, so this is where we'll be looking at. If it taps 1990, okay? We're gonna monitor 1990. Yeah, that's why I tell you guys, do not gamble on news, right? But I do think that it's gonna be a. Right, let's see. Why isn't the data out yet for me? Okay. Alright, we have a ranging news. Okay, one news is bad for the USD, which is good for gold. And then we have one news that is actual. So now we have what we call a mixed data, so-called mixed data or ranging news. Alright, so called. So now we're gonna go to our DXY, alright? We're gonna go to DXY. We're gonna see how did news impact DXY. So now DXY is dumping based on PPI. Alright, so gonna look for possible. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is where I'll be looking at, okay, 1988 to 1989. How do I make such accurate calls? I mean, there are winners and losses, right? So not all the time I make accurate calls. I have my losses as well. So it's all about risk management, okay? This is why I have good risk management if you guys want to be profitable in the market. I'm looking at 1988 because this is where is my strong sell point. I don't want to be selling in the middle of nowhere, right? I don't want to be selling in the middle of nowhere. Okay, so we're gonna monitor 1988 if it hits. Anthony, how come you hit 3SL? Yeah, should be around here. I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting up. This could be a manipulation, right? Because we have a strong bearish engulfing candle here. So if it rejects, it shows that there's still sellers within this zone. So we shall see. Okay, we shall see. Should we be looking for sells for gold? The news seems to be so meh. Yeah, I think it's ranging. I think it's gonna be ranging tonight because we have FOMC at 3 a.m. Right? We have FOMC here at 3 a.m. and 3:30 a.m. respectively. So I do feel that gold is gonna range like probably within these two zones now. FOMC FOMO. FOMO is fear of missing out. Okay. Looks like it's a liquidity sweep. Could it be a liquidity sweep? Yeah, it's somewhat bullish for gold, but alright, I'm gonna send the monitoring zones. Okay? Gonna send the monitoring zones. Okay, let's see which. Okay, I'm gonna send you guys some zones to monitor closely. Okay, looks like we're having a nice liquidity sweep right now. Okay, looks like it's a manipulation. So when prices probably gonna come back here, and then if it retests back up, I'll look for sales. Alright. Do you have live stream at 3 a.m.? No, I'll be sleeping by then. Why would I live stream at 3 a.m.? Okay, now it's retesting back up. Okay, okay, come. We monitor. We are gonna monitor this zone. Okay, we're gonna monitor 1988 to 1992. Okay, monitor. Okay, gonna send this zone to our channel. Okay, so where I'm gonna look for myself today will be at this zone here, right? So if prices steps, sorry. Okay, if prices steps back up, I'll be looking for sales at this zone here. Okay, this is where I want to be looking for my high probability sales at. Okay, so I'm gonna be patient because news just reacted. I'm gonna be patient. Same thing. I'll live until about 10 p.m. for you guys, and then I'll hop on over to Telegram to manage the trade. So we gotta be patient. You know, don't try to catch all the simple actions here. You know, gonna be patient. You just want to catch the high probability trade. Okay, but I do believe, right, that today's gonna be sell because this was where your bearish engulfing candles are, right? This you can see there's a huge rejection of bearish engulfing followed by a huge engulfing candle. So this entire zone here is actually a very very strong bearish zone where I'll be looking for sell. But here will be lesser risk. But if you guys want to sell from 1984, it'll be higher risk. So we're gonna wait for 1988, okay? We're gonna wait for 1988. Okay, those of you guys who are new here, okay, click onto our TikTok bio and join our free Telegram channel. Okay, we're gonna monitor 1988 for gold sales, 1988 to 1992. Right, then our stop loss will be at 1994. Same thing, we're gonna swing and we're gonna target our sell side liquidity, but let's beware of FOMC as well. Okay, we are 20 pips away to our zone, so let's wait it out. Okay, let's be patient, okay guys? Gotta be patient. Okay, if it hits, alright? If it hits this zone, it hits. If not, we'll just wait for the next zone. So this is actually a very strong sell zone for me to take. Right, with my stops just above this 1994, right? Above this previous resistance zone. Okay, so let's see if prices managed to tap. So how's life? Life has been pretty good, right? How have you guys been? If it hits what's our TP again, I will send you guys the TP over on our Telegram channel. So if you guys are not inside yet, okay, you guys can click our link inside our TikTok bio to join. So we're gonna monitor that zone. If it hits, it hits. If it doesn't hit, we will look for the next high probability setups. So remember, we don't want to just take trades anytime we want, okay, based on our emotions. We only want high probability trades for you guys. These guys sound young. I am young. Monitor means set limit. No, 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 no. Monitor means when it's in a zone, we look whether to take the sell or not. Alright? Thank you guys for the follows. Why are you guys trying to guess my age? I'm not that young. I'm not that old as well. I'm pretty young. How many pips then set SL to be? Probably 20 to 35 pips around there. What other businesses you do? I do marketing, I do events as well. Got gym or not? Last time. Now no time. Last time I do gym, but no no. The full time or side hustle. This is just for fun. What's my weight? What are you guys asking me? You guys should be focusing right now. How many is 10 pips according to go? Okay, $1. So 1984 to 1983 is 10 pips. So for those of you guys who don't know how to read the pips, right? So one, you can take it as $1, okay? It's 10 pips. Alright, so $10 is 100 pips. Okay, simple. Go is the simplest to read the pips. Nice rejection. So you're owner of a company. Yes, I am. I'm not. I'm not a boss. How do you know which zones to buy in the boxes you drew? These are all based on candlestick patterns, supply resistance, support resistance zones, supply demand zones, your order block zones, right? Sell side, buy side liquidity, right? There's a lot of zones you can take note of, right? So which pair? This is gold, XAUUSD. Same, but the company own me. Yeah, if you guys are aspiring entrepreneurs, you guys can, Later I work. Yeah, they all know that I'm doing this. Can you explain supply and demand? Okay, supply and demand is the exact same as support and resistance zone, right? Your supply and demand is the exact same as your support and resistance zone. Okay, so your support zone is where, let's say here, right? This is our support zone where there are buyers stepping in to buy. Okay, so this is your demand zone as well. So demand zone is where people want to look for buys at. Same thing. So your support zone is where people want to look for buys at as well. So your supply zone or your resistance zone like this is your resistance zone where there's a lot of sellers stepping in. So this is your supply zone. Alright? 1 minute chart is dropping. Okay, we shall see, okay? If it doesn't go back up, it's fine. We can always, look for sells or look for buys upon retracement. The mother of all strategies. You're right. Support and resistance or supply and demand is the mother of all strategies. It's my favorite. It's the king. In my opinion, it's the king. Who's your mother? I don't know. Okay, those of you guys who are new here, who are not inside our Telegram channel yet, click the links in our TikTok bio to join. Okay, I'm gonna send the setup later. After 10, I will end the live and then I'll be monitoring on our Telegram channel as well. Do I drive? No, I don't. Why do you guys like to ask me about my personal questions? So demand is support and supply is resistance. Yes, you're right, Nick. Demand is support, supply is your resistance. You're right. Ooh, looks like a nice liquidity sweep. Okay, so what we want to do now is, let's say we have a valid liquidity sweep. We need prices to close below here. When prices retaps up, we're gonna look for sells here, and then we're gonna retest to sweep our sell side liquidity. Okay, so this is how I look for trades, or how I look for confirmations per se. Don't tell him I tell you what. Last time I crashed. Yeah, I crashed. Okay, is the recent price is doing compression liquidity fake out? Yeah, so this is a fake out followed by a huge liquidity sweep. So if this next 15-minute candle prints as bearish, it means we have a valid liquidity sweep. So we can look for sells upon retest. Make sense? So we miss our sell zone by a little bit, about 15 pips. No, 12 pips. And it dumped. Rip. Okay, it's okay. We're gonna look for retest, okay? Anyone actually caught the sell just now? What is liquidity? Very nice, okay? Go to our Telegram channel, go to files, download chapter 3, SMC strategies. Okay? Yes, I do top-down analysis from weekly to daily to H4 to H1 to 1 hour to 15 minutes. Basically, I do my analysis on every single time frame. 4K to download file. It's free, okay? It's free. Okay, this could be our new support as well. So we shall wait to see whether this forms as a support. Okay, if this forms as a support, we might look for a quick buy scalp, and then if it continues going up here, we look for a switch, and then we look for sells here. Okay, liquidity. Yeah, you guys are liquidity. So I'll look at left and see the QML, same level with the fake out zone there. Yeah, makes sense. Okay, this looks like it's forming a minor support now, right? So when prices are currently ranging within zones like that, right, and it's not in your high probability sell zone or high probability buy zones, you wanna stay out of the trade. Because to become a profitable trader, you guys have to know one thing. You only want to take the higher probability setups. I'm gonna start Orient Wisdom, Orient Lifestyle. I don't have time to handle so many, okay? I'm just Orient FX. Okay? Do you guys like motivational video? Because I asked my marketing guy to create for you guys. To help you guys, to keep you guys motivated. But I feel that, does it work? If it doesn't work, I'll tell him to stop. Because I feel that it's wasting his time. It does. So you guys actually watch the motivating videos. Wait, got market, but I don't market Orient because I market Orient for what? I don't earn from causes. I don't earn for anything. The only reason I'm doing this is to, enjoy, talking to you guys, sharing my knowledge with you guys. Hello, you're new, just joined Tele. Welcome, welcome. The only reason I'm doing this is to, because I'm bored and I don't want to trade alone. So I want you guys to watch me when I trade so we can trade together. I'm not here to sell freaking causes like fucking fake gurus and scammers. You have your own admin, yeah, I have someone to do it. Like I said before, I'm just doing like the signals and analysis based on my own interest for fun, okay? But yeah, I have admin to do other stuff. How do you know just now that news turned out good for gold? Right, okay, good. Nick, you're asking a lot of questions, which is gonna help others as well, okay? So like I said before, you guys see that, there's red color, green color, black color. Okay, so what does it mean? Alright? Very simple. So if it's black color, that means it's actual data. That means it's the same as forecasted. So there won't be a lot of reaction. Alright? So when it's red color, that means it is worse than expected compared to your forecast. So when it's worse than expected or red color, it's bad for this US dollar here. So if it's bad for the US dollar, it's good for gold. It's always inversely related. Why is that so? Because you're trading gold against the US dollar, XAU against USD. So same thing, if it's green, let's say for example, if it's green here, it means it's good for the Japanese yen. So it is bad for pairs that are trading against the Japanese yen. Alright, make sense? Make sense? If you ever get bored, will you stop all the streams? Will you guys be watching me even if I continue for 2 years? Orient FX, Orient Fitness, Orient Business, Orient. Do you look at 1 minute pattern? Sorry, I don't. I only look at 5 minute and above. Because 1 minute, there's so many things happening in 1 minute, and it's not really viable because 1 minute it could be like engulfing candles, then the next second is doji engulfing again. I wait for 15 minutes because it's a confirmation and solidification of a compound, for 15 minutes, whether it's a buying or selling pressure has been in. Is Orient VIP for me? Yes, yes. I'm Orient FX as well as Orient VIP. Same person. Just that Orient VIP is my admin. We are watching you right now during our family dinner. Josephine Joe, I don't believe. I don't believe you. Okay? I don't believe you. How to tell if it's trying to make a support now? Okay, so this, okay, like I said before, like a lot of you guys ask me what is support and resistance, right? So this, we have a resistance. Now the resistance got broken through and prices are retesting and rejecting of this previous resistance zone. So like I said before, when the resistance zones get broken through, what does it form? It becomes a support zone. So here we have a strong resistance zone, previous support. When previous support gets broken through, it serves as a new resistance zone, right? And when a new resistance zone get broken through, it serves as a new support. It's what we call a fresh support. Alright, makes sense, understand? For those of you guys who are new here. So if news is red, it's bad. No, if news is red for USD, it's bad for the US dollar. That means it's good for gold. It's inversely related. Okay? Okay, like I said before, right? Here could become a new support. So when you see a new resistance getting broken through, prices could serve as a new support. Now it's coming back to test our sell zone. So let's see if this time 1988 will hit. Orient Polytechnic. Okay. At this point, I should just start my university. Okay, Orient University. Buy or sell. I'm waiting for my zone here to hit before I take sales. Because this is a nice fake out. Double fake out. Orient Hospital. GPA is according to how many pips you accumulated. GPA is according to how, yeah, you're right. How many businesses you guys want me to start, man? Where are you looking? Okay, I have sent my monitoring zone, which is this zone, 1988 to 1992. It's basically from this zone all the way towards our previous order block here. Our minor order block here. Okay, so this is where I'll be looking for sales, alright? So those of you guys who are not in yet, I'll be sending the signal and setup over on our free Telegram channel. So just go to our TikTok bio and click the link to join our free Telegram channel. Preschool on FX. Yeah, honestly, I think that government should incorporate trading or money management or financial literacy in school, Honestly, there's no point learning physics or chemistry. It's a waste of time. They should be teaching kids how to make money instead. Let's be honest. They are indoctrinate. They are fucking up the kids' minds. See, that's why I tell you, don't sell so fast, okay? Always wait for your good zone to hit. All the kids gonna be gambler. This is why you should enforce risk management on them. Orient Holdings Pte Ltd. Sounds pretty nice, right? Maybe next time when I have a group of companies, I should name Orient Holdings. Give motivational talks to Todd. Yeah, yeah. We should. I feel like if my future kid not profitable by the age of 4, I might disown. I feel that you guys should open up a comedy company. There's Orion FX. What's that? Yeah, yeah, you should teach your kids since young, right? Gotta learn from young, learn from young. Bro, how to use Forex Factory? You go Forex Factory, scroll to the date, and then see the news that is releasing on the day. Old coin. Learn since young. Are you alone in team or I have a marketing team and I'm looking to have a new trader as well. In the works. He's secretly helping me to do up the notes for you guys as well. If my future kid can trade at the age of 4, he will be happy. Okay, let prices does its thing. Okay, prices gonna range, trust me. So let's say if we don't have a high probability setup, we're probably gonna wait for the next day after FOMC. Okay, you guys don't want to be get trapped when you have this three news. Okay, huge ass news. So yeah, the SG version of ICT. No, I'm not. I wouldn't consider myself as a mentor or guru. Neither would I say that I created my own strategies. Okay, I'm just your friend. Sharing knowledge with you guys. If never get minimum 20 pips a day means no. Fuck you guys, you guys. Okay, let's see. Okay, this looks like it's forming its own mini resistance zone here. So let's look at 5 minute. So 5 minute we can see, clearer positions here, right? This is why multi-time frame analysis is so important. Okay, so 5 minute we have is forming its minor rejection zones here. Very, very nice rejection zone here. Okay, so going back to the 15 minute. Okay, this is our block that we shall be monitoring at, right? Who did study trading? Surprisingly, I don't study from anyone. I look at the market based on my own experience. I understand certain style. I'm kind of old fashioned, so I read, books. So I don't learn from anyone. And this is why I usually trade based on my own kind of strategy. I don't trade just like pure price action, right? Or pure ICT, pure SMT. No, I trade based on my own market experience. You see one Lambo at Kappa, is it yours? I wish. How do you motivate yourself when you feel like quitting? Good question. How do I motivate myself? I have my fair share of losses. I've lost 5 digits before, high 5 digits in a single day, right? I've made high 5 digits in a single day as well. All I can say is risk management. Okay, motivation is also very important. Okay, just know that when you're not emotionally strong on the day, do not trade at all. What do I mean by that? So let's say you're having a bad day at work, you're having a bad day, you quarrel with your ex, you quarrel with your girlfriend, you quarrel with your parents, okay? Do not trade on the day. Because when you're not mentally stable, you are gonna place trades without proper risk management and without proper trading psychology. Okay, number two, following signal group, okay? I know many of you guys want to trade or use analysis from signal group, okay? But do not trade signals blindly. Why is that so? Because number one, you have to have your own analysis, okay? If you do not have your own analysis and you're following a signal blindly, number one, what's gonna happen is you're not gonna trust 100% or confident on the trade, right? Because you did not do your analysis at all. So what happens is you tend to close your trade early or you tend to let your losses run all the way till you bust your account, right? Number two, if you follow signals blindly, you are not learning anything. So you're just gonna become a signal follower for the rest of your life. You're not becoming a profitable trader. Alright, so this is why I recommend you guys to do your own analysis, and signals should only be a confluence, right? If you have the same analysis, then you take the trade. If you have different analysis, do not take the trade. Okay, how do I get the 1998 to 1922 range? Okay, I see multiple bearish engulfing candle. Here is also a fresh resistance. So 1992 is also the start of our bearish order block. Okay, So those of you guys who always, wait for signals or follow based on signals, right? Please do not depend your whole trading profits on a signal channel. For me, I'm different from other signal groups. Okay, you can see signal groups send you, setups every single, I don't know, 1 hour. I don't even know how the hell they have so many setups. For me, very simple. Okay, I only take setups when I'm very confident of my trade. Simple as that. Like I said before, I don't want to be a signal group. I want to be an educational group, more of an educational group. I want you guys to join me to learn how to trade, not how to follow signals. Okay. Okay, 1 hour and 4 hour are the best time frames to look at. 4 hour is my favorite time frame. Buy go no. I'm not looking to trade now unless it taps into my zone. What risk to reward ratio do you think is good for average profitable trade? This is a very good question that has always been debated for quite long, right? You know why? I know, I have friends, right, with 30% win rate, 30% win rate, but they're making 6 digit a year, right? They have 1 to 10, 1 to 12 risk to reward ratio. I also have friends, 1 to 0.25 risk to reward ratio and making 6 digits a year as well. So it doesn't really matter with risk to reward ratio. What matters is your trading plan. What kind of trader are you? Are you those kind who are very emotional, very fast scalper, right? Fast scalper, you guys can seek maybe 1 to 0.5, 1 to 0.25, and you still can be profitable, right? That's why, like I said before, do not follow what other people trading plan have, right? You have to create your own trading plan that is specifically designed for you. That's how you can become profitable. Does it make sense? Does it make sense? So how do I determine my ratio? For me, okay, I started off with 1 to 3, 1 to 5, right? I found that it's not working out because what's the chances of, hitting 100 pips profit with 20 pips stop loss? I found my win rate getting very low. So I reduced it to 1 to 1, right? When I hit 1 to 1, okay, I see my win rate is 80, 90%. And for every 2 trades I lose, I win 8 trades, right? So that's when I see that, okay, 1 to 1 maybe is a good risk to reward ratio for me, right? But for you guys might not be. Some of you guys prefer maybe 1 to 0.5 or 1 to 5. It solely depends on you guys and your trading plan. My signal is based on my trading plan, right? That's why I always say you guys have to have your own trading plan. Make sense? Right? Also depends on your capital. Yeah, that's why I say different people have different capital. So my trading plan might not work for you guys. So you guys have to have your own analysis as well. Okay? Where am I based? I'm based in Singapore. Where are you guys from? My layering strat, okay, simple. I have a zone. Let's say 1988 to 1992. Okay, I start from the first layer. I layer, maybe I split my lot size. Let's say I have one lot. I trade one lot. Okay, I will split maybe 0.25 every single layer, every 10 pips for a layer. Do you recommend using a funded account for? Start with your live account first. Why is that so? Because if you can't even be profitable on your live account, how are you gonna stick to the 5% drawdown rule of a funded account? You're just gonna be throwing money away in your funded account. Some people don't do layering. What do I think? Same thing, right? Like I said before, it all comes down to your trading plan. So my trading plan, for me, layering strategy works for me, for my emotional capabilities, for my equity, it works for me. Some people, they only like to do single entry, single TP, single SL level, right? Some people don't do BE, they only have one SL and one TP. So it all comes down to your own trading plan. TikTok did not ban live. I'm not live trading, I'm live educating. Okay? I'm live educating. How much equity? I have multiple accounts, like I said. I have scalping account, I have a swing trading account, I have an intraday trading account. My swing account, I don't even log in, okay? I set my trade and then I probably not log in until my TP is hit. You guys should, okay, maybe once you guys start to become profitable, you guys will understand why having multiple different accounts for different trading strategies work. Those of you guys who have been following me for the past 3 months, you guys know that my swing account, I hold 1000 pips swing. My scalping account and my intraday account, I have multiple accounts now, right? And it's all at different equity level as well. How much do I earn per month? I'm not gonna comment on that. It's personal. I don't want to flex, or I also don't want to. keep your hopes high. You can ask them lah, let them guess. Ask those people inside my VIP channel. Ask them to slowly guess. How much do you guys think? How much do you guys think I make per month? Definitely not 7 digits. If I earn 7 digits a month, I wouldn't be here. I wouldn't be here already. Okay, yeah, it's in the 5 digits, but I won't give you guys the exact number. But it's good enough to sustain my lifestyle. It's good enough to sustain my lifestyle. 3 Lambos. Do you know that Lambos in Singapore is very expensive? It's $1 million. I'm gonna be very honest with you, okay? There's only 2 months in my entire trading journey that I hit 6 figure in that 1 month profits. There's only 2 months out of my 5 years that I hit 6 figures. Okay? But my biggest loss in a month is also 6 figures. But it's just that 1 month. Low 6 figures lah, high 6 figures, you must be crazy. I lost 100k in a month as well before. Consistent. Nah, yeah, it's been consistent for the past 2 years. How long did it take to collect the first 6 figure? When I sold from 2,000 to 1,800. That was my 6 figure swing account month. I mean, those of you guys are inside my Telegram channel since 3 months ago. You guys should know, right? We swing sell from 2,000 to 1,800, and we swing buy from 1,800 to 2,100. Nah, my sister hit this kind of shit. What is a swing account? Swing trading is for longer term trading, right? So let's say swing trading is probably like months to weeks. So I'm looking for 1,000 pips, 2,000 pips. When do you start trading? 5 years ago. 1988. I'll monitor 1988. Looks like a strong zone. What about positional trading? I don't know, man. Okay, positional trading could be tricky for beginners, but that's why when I say swing trade, I usually do buy hedges in between. But could be confusing for newcomers. How do you know if it's a swing? Okay, swing trading is usually when you target thousands of pips, right? Okay, a swing trading. Okay, let's go to the daily chart. Let's say I entered the buy here. My swing trade was at 2,100. So those of you guys who follow me 3 months before, you know that we caught a buy at 1808 to 1812, and I told you guys that we're gonna hit 2,100. So everyone was laughing at me back then, right? It was a 3,000 pip swing, okay? And it took, maybe 2 months to happen. So this is a swing trade. I'm looking for maybe holding for weeks or even months, right? And it's thousands of pips of profit. This is what I call swing trading. Alright, scalping. Scalping is like 20, 30 pips profit. Intraday could be maybe 50 to 100 pips profit. Yeah, before 1808, I did another swing trade from 2,000 to 1,840 ish, another 1,600 pips trade. So you guys who have followed me long enough, you guys who have known about this legendary swing trade that everyone laughed at me for. Every time in life, I told everyone that we're gonna hit 2,100 when we're at 1,800. Everyone is like laughing at me. Well, we managed to hit 2,100. Sell now? No, I'm waiting patiently for my zone to hit. First week life was bomb, yeah. Did you hit 6? Yeah, I did hit lah. Basically, my 2 6 digit month was from that 2 swings. Oh, okay. The most profitable months are from the swing trades months. I always do. I always give an ultimate TP. You guys can ask how many. Usually, when I give an ultimate TP, it will hit lah. You guys can ask those from our VIP channel or those free channel that has been live streaming. I only started in August because I was bored. Usually for swing trades, yeah, I do. I enter at retest as well. Which month is more profitable? December is the hardest month to trade. So you guys realize December, my win rate isn't like consistently 90%. It's like, yeah, all my life is recorded on YouTube. You guys can rewatch. Nah, my scalps never ever reached 6 figures. My scalps probably 5 digits. Now sell? No, I'm not looking to sell now. I have my high probability zone. If it doesn't hit, I'm not gonna sell. 5% for your swing account. Okay, for swing account, is my live account, it's not my funded account, so I risk 20%. But my take profit is about pretty high lah, it's high enough. Bro, next time about telling you we go rounding, what the heck? I don't have time for that. During your 30 win streak, you didn't contribute. I'm the one that give all the signals. Genuine questions. Okay, who joined me on August? We had a 34 win streak. 34 trade win streak. That was the good old days. I should dig out the performance that time. We had a 34 win streak in August. And then in December we had a 24 win streak, I think. 24 trade win streak. Oh, Rosami, you joined us since then in August? Really? Oh, it was a good day. It was like 98%. Telegram link is inside our TikTok bio. You guys can join. You guys can scroll through all of our past win rate and stuff like that. So in August, I think our win rate was like 98% or 97%. Then September was about 93%. Then November and December are harder to trade because it's more volatile because it's closing year and it's about 80% ish. You joined during August as well, yeah. It was a good month lah, with our liquidity sweep strategy, I was like spamming 6 trades a day and we are hitting 6 trades a day. Is trading journey lonely? Yes. Honestly, let me tell you the truth, okay? All those fake gurus flexing like, they're going overseas, showing their Rolex, going Dubai, enjoying life, right? That's not the true trader lifestyle. You can ask every single professional trader out there. They rather stay at home and stare at their charts. Okay? For me, if you tell me to go out, I don't like to go out. I like to stay at home and stare at my charts. I rather do that. You saw my picture, okay lah. You guys know how I look like, then keep it as a secret, okay? I'm not shading anyone. I'm just saying that it's fun to enjoy. I party once a year. When I go overseas, I only go overseas once every single year. And when I go overseas, I party like mad. I spend like mad as well, okay? I spend like mad as well. Yeah, I went to Dubai as well. Okay? But for the other 300 over days in a year, I rather spend it at home staring at my charts. Yeah, the IB rebates go crazy because there's so many trades a day. For me, I don't do so many trades a day because December is hard months to trade. I probably do maybe 3 setups a day for you guys. Because I only want those high probability win rates, like those 100, 200 pips trade or TP3 trades. I don't want those 10 pips, 5 pips trade. Do you watch ICT TJ? Honestly, I don't really watch them, but I like their strategy. Where do I really start? Backtesting. Honestly, for me, I really backtesting. When that time ICT and TJR I wasn't even popular. How do you journal down your trades? Okay, write down all your entries, write down stop loss, what is your thought process, the confluence you looked at. My usual signal intraday. Okay, when I give a swing trade, I'll put an ultimate stop loss there. Ultimate take profit, I mean. The week just started and you're losing 7k on live. How? How do you lose 7k? Okay, when signal group starts to become greedy for the IB rebates, they start to spam setups because the more setups people take, the more rebates they get. But for me, I don't really care about money, so I only want you guys to take the highest probability trade. Okay, I only want you guys to hit those 70, 80, 100 pips trade. I don't want you guys to take those 5 pips trade. Okay. Okay. Anyways, I'll be ending live soon. Prices gonna probably range here, so give you guys the zone. You guys can analyze and then wait for FOMC. How to join VIP? You guys can PM. How do I self-learn? 1 year of monk mode. Okay, PM. Okay, so those of you guys asking for VIP, okay, it's free, but you gotta trade with our broker. Alright, PM at VIP Orient FX on Telegram. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna be ending live soon. Those of you guys who are not inside our Telegram channel yet, I'll be managing the trades over there. So click on our TikTok bio link to join our free Telegram channel. Alright, see you guys. Take care.